Hello friends, I am going to start illustration number 37 of CMA Inter first group joint and byproduct. Please read the questions here. Okay, this is the question, illustration number 37. Please see here. A factory engaged in a production of the chemical X and in the course of manufacturing byproduct manufactures in a byproduct Y is produced, which after a separate process it has a commercial value. Following are the information for the month of March. Joint expenses 10,000, material labor 4,000, overhead 12 2,500. Separation expenses, that is material 2,000, labor 2,500. This is the overhead 1,400. For Y 2,800, 2,500 and 1,000. The output of the month 150 quintal of X, 150 quintal, and 50 quintal of Y. The selling price of Y is rupees 200 per quintal. Rupees 200 per quintal. Please try to understand. The profit on the product Y, is 33 1 by 3% on the cost price. Prepare the accounts of showing the cost of X per quintal. We have to calculate. Accounts you have to show. Look at it. In the case of, just I'm going to make you understand one point. Suppose total cost is 300 and profit 33.33% of 300, because of profit is on cost. This profit is given on cost. This is rupees 100. Okay, then sales revenue will be, this is the 400. Okay, now in this case what you have to do, sales revenue 400, the profit percentage on sale, we can calculate 100 divided by 400 into 100, that equal to, this is 25%. This is 25%. It means if profit percentage on cost is 33.33%, 33.33, it means 3313% means 33.3333%. If profit percentage on cost is 33.33%, then profit percentage on sale, this implies that profit percentage on sale is calculated 33.333% divided by 1 plus 0.33333, that is 33%. This is 25%. This is 25%. This is the way of calculation of profit percentage on sale. Okay, do you understand? In this question, separation cost of Y is already given, sales already given, profit is already given. Then you can calculate joint cost of product by product Y. Look at it. Calculation of, working note first. Calculation of joint cost for byproduct. What is the name of byproduct? That is the Y. Look at it. Sales revenue. What is the output of production A? Look at it. 50 quintal of BY, selling price per rupees 200 per quintal. Okay. In this case, 50 into 200 rupees, 10,000, less separation cost, separation expenditure. In the case of separation expenditure for separate expenses, separation cost, separate expenses for Y, 2800, 2500, 1000. This is material cost, first you write profit. Profit 25% of sale, 2500. Total cost. Total cost is 7500 less separation cost, material, labor, overheads. What is the material cost? 2800, 2500, 1000. This is 2800, 2500, 1000. This is given 6300. Now, joint cost of byproduct Y, look at it. This is A, this is the B. Look at it. This is the separated cost. This is 6300 for Y. This is after separation cost. A total cost is given Y for this is the total cost. Total cost for Y. Here it was given that is the 7500, including this cost and process cost. If you will subtract these, then of course this cost will remain. 7500 minus 6300, this is the 1200. This is your 1200. Joint cost of product Y is 1200. Okay, joint cost for by product Y is 1200. Now joint cost it is 1200. Joint expenses accounts. How can, now you have to make account. Joint expenses accounts. Okay. Particular, debit, credit. Particular, this is the amount. Particulars, this is your amount. What is the particular you have? Two material, two labor, two overheads. Look at it. What is the joint cost you have? Joint expenses. This is a joint expenses. Material 10,000, labor 4,000, overhead 2,500. 10,000, 4,000, 2,500. This is 16,500. This is 16,500. By Wise account. Wise account is 1,200. We have already calculated joint cost. This is 16,500. This is a 16,500. Okay. If this is 16,500, then what will be by X account? X account will be, after subtracting 1,200, 15,300. 15,300. Okay. And now you can calculate for X accounts. Accounts. Debit, credit. This is a particular amount. This is a rupees. Particulars amount. This is a rupees. Okay. X accounts. X accounts. What is the material, labor, overhead? Material, labor, overheads. 2. Joints account. Look at it. Joint account. Joint expenses. Joint expenses. You can say joint expenses. Joint expenses for X we have calculated 15,300. Look at here. This is joint expenses 15,300. What is the expenditure of material, labor, overhead of X? Look at here. X, this is a 2,000, 2,500, 1,400. 2,000, 2,500. This is a 1,400. Total 21,200. Okay. By cost of production, you can write by, this is a cost of production of product X, by cost of production account, cost of production account, rupees 21,000, 21,200, 21,200, at the rate of, what will be, at the rate of, this is the production unit. Production unit of X is 150 quintal. 150 quintal. What will be the rate? 21,200, 150 divided, what is 21,200 divided by 150, 141.33. 141.33 per quintal. Okay. Similarly, we can make Y account. Okay, debit, this is a credit. Particulars, amount, rupees, this is particulars, amount, rupees, to labor, to that material, material, to labor, overheads, to joint expenses. What is the material joint expenses already calculated 1200? What is the material labor overhead for Y? 2800, 2500, 1000. 2800, 2500, 1000. This is 7500 by cost of production account at the rate of, this is 7500. Look at it. The 7500 divided by 50, what is the rate here? 7500 divide 50, 150 at the rate of 150. This is 7500. So in this way accounts of X is made, Y is accounts is made, and joint expenditure account is made. Okay, this question has been completed. This is also good question. You must revise this question. Okay, thank you class.